Hello, good afternoon. Just wanted to pop on quickly and talk to you about our Milenco sliding locks that we've got. I wanted to add a bit of extra security to the van for when we were away in Europe, especially if we were parking underground in an underground car park and wanted to leave Percy in there on his own for an hour or two. And also if all three of us were out and about walking around a city or in the countryside, somewhere a bit wilder. I just wanted that added security for the van and peace of mind whilst we're out and about. So we went for a Milenco sliding door lock, and actually it's good for our van because it fits both the front doors and the sliding door. So it's one lock that kind of respectively covers two doors. So it gives us a bit of security on the sliding and the cab doors. And I'll just give you a quick show of what that is. So that's the lock. And you'll have to bear with me, I'll have to spin the camera around. So yeah, that's the lock, and then you put the key in, give it a turn, unlock it, slide it off, and then there you go. But it just gives us a bit of added security for both the cab door and the sliding door. And I think it was about, what are you doing? I think it was about £100 for the two locks, so quite cost effective. Because at one point I thought it was £100 for one lock, and then when Steve said it was for two, bargain, get them. And they've worked brilliantly whilst we've been in Netherlands and France and Belgium. So we've locked up the van using those and gone off, and all's been well. So fingers crossed. Bye. But it's kill one bird with two stones, is that right? Or is it two birds with one stone? I don't know, I'm no good at those sort of quotes, but anyway, yeah.